everyone. I would like to share a story with you today. This is the story of Team Nailed It. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shalu Jerry, the presenter and researcher of Team Nailed It. Our team leader, Samiksha Sanjay Salyan. Meet our file editor and documentation handler, Apar Sharma. Anmol Preet Kaur, who controls the communication in our team. When we started our team, there was only 4 members. However, we added one more team member to our team. Meet our newest member to the Team Nailed It, Vishwaja Sayana, who controls communication and documentation handling.
It's raining outside, so we have to shoot inside. Let's begin our story. The story begins with our Professor Noel has given certain project for us to choose from, and we chose That's a Wrap as our first preference. Later we came to know that 6 other teams has also selected That's a Wrap as their first preference. So there is stiff competition. However, I personally got an opportunity to visit this organization and get to know about their problems. It is said that a well-defined problem is half solved. Yes, we understand the 2 main problems this company is facing. Firstly, it is a very small business and it will be very difficult for this organization to reach to the local people in Peterborough. Secondly, global pandemic has affected their sales as well. So we Team Nailed It has to create a marketing plan for them. And we have made a presentation and submitted to Noel, and we got That's a Wrap as our project. Meet our sponsor, Tracy Orman, owner of That's a Wrap Catering Company. So I still remember the first meeting with Tracy. We were all so excited to meet her, tell her our ideas with her. So there were some communication errors, network issues, and however it went well. And she wanted us to work on some marketing ideas for her in the coming weeks. So we have made some rough ideas and presented to her on the coming weeks. And later she wanted us to work on virtual workshop. So the idea of virtual workshop is she is giving some cooking tutorials on Zoom platform and some of the main dishes of That's a Wrap Catering. And the main objective of this virtual workshop is to increase as many participants so that more people will get to know about That's a Wrap Catering, as well as we can increase her sales. So this was the main objective of virtual workshop, and we were supposed to give ideas and plans for the virtual workshop, and then started our winter break. After the winter break for 1 month, we didn't hear from our sponsor Tracy for 2 weeks. So there was tension going in my team. We were all worried why our sponsor is not responding to our mails. It is always good to have some backup plan. Our professor Noel has suggested to work on some other projects such as Fox Farm project. I still remember we were planning to select the Fox Farm project and we were planning to go on reading break. However, after 2 weeks, we get back to know from our sponsor. Due to some reason, she couldn't respond to our emails. However, there was another big twist waiting for us. She has already conducted her first virtual workshop. It was a surprising moment for our team. However, she wants us to join one of her virtual workshop and give a good feedback for her. And our team member Apar has joined the second virtual workshop and given her a feedback on what are the limitations, what are the plus points of that virtual workshop. So we have given feedback on how the workshop booking process, details on the confirmation mail, and even the lighting and setup of the virtual workshop, and how to ping Tracy on Zoom, and how to work together in the virtual workshop. So she wanted us to give some marketing ideas for the virtual workshop. We get to know that Tracy's and her That's a Wrap Catering Company is very active in social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and her website. So we suggested to put the workshop details in all the social media website, and also we suggested to put the workshop on platforms like Eventbrite, where more people can join the virtual workshop. So the main objective for the virtual workshop is getting more participants and thereby more people will get to know about the organization, and thereby she can increase her sales. So these are the marketing ideas we have given to her. Now we are working on our second project deliverable, the weekly wrap day. The idea for the weekly wrap day came from, as you know that due to the global pandemic, the gatherings are not allowed, and it will be good to focus on individual as well on this time. So in order to focus on individual as well, we suggested to conduct the weekly wrap day. So in weekly wrap day, one day in a week is specifically considered as weekly wrap, where she will consider 3 or 4 wrap options and can give to customers on discounts and offers. So for this project, we need to give some marketing ideas and plans for the weekly, how to conduct the weekly wrap day plan. So we are working on the marketing strategies for this, like including a combo with the wrap, including loyalty cards, contacting the regular customers through email, and making posting on social medias, and as well as mentioning about the weekly wrap day in her website. So we are still working on this plan. Now our sponsor has started a new cafe in downtown, Edison Cafe, and she's much interested with the weekly wrap day idea, and she wanted to implement this idea in her new cafe as well. We are hoping to make a successful end with this story, and we believe we can make this project a grand success. Thank you.